Normal ways to process solid waste like landfill, burning, etc. are not suitable for waste tires. With the rising of public awareness for environmental protection, waste tire recycling and renewable has been attracted more and more attention all over the world. The study of waste tire harmlessness and reclamation technology has become a very important topic faced by environmental protection field and resources field. Aimed at waste tire processing and recycling, the waste tire pyrolysis plant, developed by Xinjiang DOING Renewable Energy Company Limited, will process waste tire into industrial fuel oil, carbon black, and steel wire with pyrolysis technology. The high-tech recycling technology obtained great economic and social benefit and becomes a great discovery in the worldwide energy renewal. Customer success in DOING's greatest achievement. DOING supplies customers the perfect scheme, the best machine, and the best service. Till now, we have developed markets in Turkey, Iran, Ecuador, Poland, Malaysia, Albania, Macedonia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Thailand, etc. The product is well received by customers all over the world.